Bostik's Born2Bond threadlocking adhesives are anaerobic, single-component liquid solutions for mechanical parts assembly. Key advantages over mechanical locking devices include inventory reduction, vibration resistance, thread coverage, and corrosion protection. Check out these simple demonstrations to see the advantages for yourself. Inventory reduction. Mechanical locking devices require additional storage space, and choosing the correct locking device can cause complexity when making a simple repair. One small bottle of Threadlocker can replace a variety of locking device types and sizes, and is easy to keep on hand. Vibration resistance. This demonstration shows how easily a nut can twist off the bolt without Threadlocker on it, even when such little vibration occurs. We conducted a Juncker test to determine exactly when mechanical locking devices fail when exposed to vibration with and without Threadlocker. This chart shows the results. When a bolt is unsecured with no Threadlocker, you can see it loses clamping force after very few cycles. However, with Threadlocker, the nut is firmly held in place. Even after over 1,000 cycles have been completed, it loses less than 10% of the initial clamping force. Thread coverage. In this demonstration, you can see how our product seals the threads and fills all gaps between the nut and the bolt. By filling the gaps, the Threadlocker protects against oxidation, water intrusion, and debris, allowing for improved performance of the threaded assembly. This relates to our next demonstration. Corrosion protection. Without proper protection, threaded parts can corrode, weakening the part and risking failures. We set out to prove Threadlocker's corrosion protection capabilities by comparing bolts with and without Threadlocker after a 10-day saltwater submersion. You can see the difference between the bolts with and without the Threadlocker. The part that had the Threadlocker remains clean and free of corrosion in the bond area. That concludes our Threadlocker demonstrations. We hope that they help you see the value of Threadlocker. Contact a Bostik expert today to get started with yours.